So I recently read a study about truck drivers that every accident involved with a truck driver is, in average, will take 4 lives. And his main idea with the statistics is that truck drivers especially need to be aware of fatigue, because a lot of those accidents are caused by fatigue. Now, my question, I have a few questions about it. First of all, they did not have any data of which one of those accidents caused by fatigue and which one did not. I think they just took the national average of how many accidents are being caused by fatigue versus the one without. They do have this statistics, and they just implemented that into the truck situation. The problem is, how do exactly they conduct these studies? Okay, so for example, if a truck, because 4 people sounds like a lot. Most cars are not driving around with 4 people within them. So most trucks or most cars probably will be with 1 or 2. I guess that's maybe the average, possibly 2. Now, when a truck hit, for example, a bus with 20 or 40 people, that can increase the whole statistics. So there is most of the data points are 1, and it's enough that have 41, which means like 1 chunk or 1 accident with 40 to increase the whole statistics to about 4. Okay. In addition to that, when you say maybe this accident that involved the bus, we can say, okay, yeah, that's the average. This is how you're calculating the average. Okay, that maybe I will accept that. But the problem is, maybe the accident that caused by the trucker with the bus that killed 40 people hasn't caused by fatigue mistake or fatigue related problems, which means that it could not be avoided even if the driver would know. So for example, icy roads, or maybe the bus made a mistake and the truck had nothing to do with it. Like even if this situation would happen again, with him knowing that this is going to happen, it might still happen, which means that maybe those situations could not be avoided otherwise. So the idea of trucks killing 4 people on average, I think it's inherently mistaken. Of course, really, I can't be sure of anything, but it seems like the idea, or this, especially what he derived from the statistics, is inherently mistaken, and I don't see any reason to think in that direction, that in average, because we need to understand when and how fatigue is one of the issues here, because again, most cars do not have 4 people in them. So when you say that fatigue, especially with when speaking about truck drivers, taking 4 lives sounds like